Hello viewers. Today we are discussing about forklift operator job. What is the requirement of the forklift operator job and rotation and also salary. Before we are going to discuss about this video, if you like my videos, please subscribe and share. Let me go to forklift. Forklift is a small mobile equipment which is used to transport any heavy loads from one place to another place. So see here, before we are talking about forklift, so how the forklift operator should be, what are the minimum requirement of PPE he should have to maintain, and what are the essential things he should know. Hard hat, that is one of the PPE, safety glasses, seat belt. Seat belt is very essential, as we know that, and lights, because in night time there is a chance of any problem if lights are not available. Safety first. Any job we are doing with the forklift, we should give a utmost priority to the safety. Man riding, the people who are standing or sitting over the forklift is not recommended because it causes a severe damage to the people and also for the company. Sometimes it causes fatality also. So here you see what is the information and what is the salary and also what are the skill required. Everything here we discuss. See here, forklift operator, the salary is around 40,000 INR. If we are working, if we are working in any Gulf countries, mostly in UAE, they will give a salary of 2000 AED. That means 2000 multiplied by the currency, whatever now it is around 20, so you will get 40,000 around. So the people, they think that this is the salary they are getting, but in rigs, if you are working in rigs, you will get additional bonuses also. Nationality, in any nationality they can apply. They should have a valid forklift license. Duty is 8 hours a day. That maybe varies, maybe increase or maybe decrease. It depends upon the company. And also experience required is, because they will not take a direct fresher, they will take some experienced persons. Minimum is 2 years. If maximum more than two also, they will take. Benefits: food, accommodation, ticket and medical, all the allowances they will provide. So you should have a good knowledge about the forklift and the safety rules, what we have to follow the forklift. What are the qualifications? What are the qualifications for the forklift operator? He should have 20 to 30 years of old age. Should be a male candidate. The height minimum 170 centimeters, 75 kgs below. If he is working in the first time, he should have a experience. Okay, so this is the essential qualifications for the forklift operator. Minimum, he should know what are the things they are giving. He should have to understand. So 10th class, that is SSC, is enough for the forklift operator. If having more knowledge also, having more qualifications also, not a problem. So this is the information of the forklift operator. And finally, very interesting one is a rotation, because these jobs are mostly in oil and gas we are discussing. So in this oil and gas jobs, you have a rotation. Maybe it depends upon your company, but mostly they are having a rotation of 3 months on and 1 month off. That means you will work for 3 months and you will take a 1 month of rest. Okay, and that rotation is only for, I am talking about in oil and gas. If you change the company, then rotation will may vary. Maybe some companies they will giving 1 year, 1 month, like that. But here very important thing is they will take care about you. That means all accommodation, food, transportation, medical, all the things they will take care. Okay viewers. Okay viewers, if you like my channel, please subscribe and share. If you want any information, you can comment also. Thank you.